Welcome to this amazing home, guys. I am in Ascot and I can't wait to show you around this place. It is so amazing and unique. So we're gonna go straight in and check it out. So I'm here with Emil, who's gonna take us around this amazing home and he's gonna show us really cool features that no one else has seen. So we'll go around and you can show us around.
Absolutely. Welcome to this beautiful home. What you're gonna see throughout this home, you're gonna see 900 square meters of luxury living in the middle of Ascot. It's a really Queenslander meets bit of a new modern style home as well, but it's a really cozy home as well, even it's so large as well. Home itself, there's 7 garages, there's 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, just quite insane.
A Lamborghini.
Yeah, the house does actually come with Lamborghini as well, and that's one of the features throughout the house. But look, seriously, yes, there is a Lamborghini, but the home, it's a beautiful home as well. It's a massive home, 2 swimming pools, lift, outstanding kitchen, wine cellar. So I think
all right, I need to see it now. I need to go see it. Let's go.
Well, welcome.
Oh my goodness, okay, wow.
So obviously getting up in the lift, first thing that you see is this.
It's
so
huge.
It's
a beautiful kitchen, and then you've got all that outdoor area. It's amazing.
This is a really big home, but it's still very, very homely as well.
It is.
And so obviously parking your car in the garage, lift takes you directly to the kitchen.
Because there is a lift, of course, in this house.
There is a lift. It takes you directly to the kitchen, and if you have groceries, walking benches.
It's great, but it's got like a great garden, so you can chuck your kids out there, and then you've got your pool.
I think if you have family at home, this is really cool as well. Because I think the kitchen is always heart of the house. You can climb dining here.
It is. It is definitely the heart of the house, and this is great.
If kids are in the pool and they're playing in the grass, you can all see them as well. And so this is, I think it's a really cool.
So what's that in there? Is that?
That's actually walk-in pantry.
Pantry?
It's probably one of the only walk-in pantries that I have seen that actually does have a proper cold room as well. So you can actually have all the meat and vegetables.
This is beautiful.
It's all marble, not marbles.
Marble. I tend to pronounce incorrectly the marble and say marbles. But I see something that I really want to have a look at now. So okay.
So this is a special wine cellar.
Thank you.
After you.
Holy moly. Okay. Just a little bit of vino in here.
Just a little bit of wine. This is actually a proper wine cellar. It comes with
your barrels?
Comes with 2 barrels of wine. It's 300 liters of wine that comes with the home as well.
It's crazy.
But this is, even it's a quite good size wine cellar, it's really warm as well.
Honestly, there's so much wine in here that it will last you like years. And I'm not much of a drinker, like I enjoy my vino, but I'll probably have a glass, so this will last me all my life.
It's a really cool feature as well, because you can actually have
and then you can have lunch here, and it's nice and cool in here, so with the Queensland weather, it'll keep you cool. If you want to run away, come in here to keep cool. So you got your floating staircase, which is great. And whoa, okay, so I can see already that is this the part of the original house over here?
Correct. So this obviously used to be Queenslander that was built in 1920s.
Oh my God, it's
so
beautiful.
Our builder, well, he actually couldn't demolish it. So what he did, he raised the house up, but he really kept that warm.
Yeah, it's beautiful, and it still has that Queenslander feel to it.
So basically almost half of the house, it really is all traditional Queenslander. Obviously it's all new here, and then other part is brand new. You know what? I'll let you take over from here. You tell us how good this master bedroom is.
Oh my goodness. Wow. It's so beautiful, and it really has that warmth, but it's so fresh. And is that a fireplace I see there?
Is that a fireplace? There is a fireplace.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not sure how much we're gonna really need it.
Well, for your romantic nights, right? For your romance. So what's that?
Another feature.
Oh my goodness. So what's on the other side? Oh my God, it spins! Okay, that's pretty cool. That's, I gotta have that in my house.
Yeah, it is really cool as well. So you basically got your own little lounge room inside master bedroom as well.
It's so bright and airy in here too, and then you've got your beautiful deck. This is beautiful. So it's still got the original features out here, which is great.
And there's also a beautiful deck as well.
Yeah.
It's good for morning tea or coffee.
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Can I check out the bathroom because I can see it from here? Wow, okay, this is beautiful. And it's got lots of girly touches, which is great. Tick, tick, tick. Beautiful bathtub. You've got you've got a double shower here. Okay, so that's fantastic. Amazing, but should we go have a look at the walk-in cupboard? Yes, fantastic. My end of the cupboard, my end of the cupboard, and you've got a vanity here, which is great.
One of the things I actually want to show you is one of the smallest bedrooms in the house, but I think it's just gorgeous.
Hey, smallest bedrooms are usually the coolest, so let's go take a look. Yes!
How cool is this?
This is so cute. Oh my God, okay, so my daughter, Eleanor, or Luca would love this bedroom because it's got a teepee in here as well. And I mean, what kid doesn't want their own bathroom? Have a look. It's so cute. And it's decorated to perfection, so ready to move into this home, guys. I think, apart from the master bedroom, of course, this is my favorite room because, guys, have a look at this. You got your plunge pool, like it's like a little cocoon of a bedroom, and it's beautiful and fresh. And this is my second favorite bedroom so far, apart from the kids and the master bedroom. But yeah, have a look at this. So you're feeling a little bit hot, go, you want to exercise, going up and down the swimming pool. But people like me that don't exercise will just probably float along on some flamingo stuff. Yeah.
So far what we have seen, we've really seen a traditional part of the house.
Which is stunning.
Which is stunning. Now I want to hear your opinion. What do you think of new part of the house?
Okay.
This is traditional meets modern.
So technically it's as if it starts from here onwards, okay.
Literally.
But I can already see that I like it, which is fantastic. But I've had a sneak peek of what's in here. So you've got your sauna to relax, you know, after you have a hard day out in the prior evening, and then you can exercise the food that you ate the night before. And then you come here to this amazing modern part of the home, which still has like a really good flow. So it's beautiful, bright and airy. And if you want to get away from the children or the husband, you can come this way.
The thing about this home is it's just so big that you can actually have a lot of people throughout the house and not feel it's crowded.
Yeah.
And one of the things that I always say about this home is probably perfect for people that have children that are 16, 17, 18
Perfect,
years old.
yeah.
So you can still have relaxed life
Yeah.
where the main area is, and they can have their friends over and you can
And keep it separate. That is
completely.
so clever. We all need like a separate section in a house to like.
Correct, but also at the same time, if you have people over, this is just outstanding area to actually entertain people. So
But-
in my mind, this entire house,
Yeah.
or entire part of the house is
Yeah.
really beautiful too.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I just love the mix of traditional, modern. It's all combined, but it works perfectly. So, and it's still. And one thing I love about this home is it's open. There's so much natural light, and they've done like an amazing job. And then of course the winery, and you know.
And while we're here, there is a cinema as well. Cinema is a really cozy.
Oh my gosh.
part of
Okay,
the house
let's
as
have a
well.
look. Okay, oh my God, it's good. Ah, so they've done something different in here because usually you've got your really like old style, traditional couches that look horrible. So I'm sorry, but it's true. And this has got more of a modern feel. And it's not too big. So realistically, it's you and your family that's going to sit here. You're not going to bring like 50 friends, or maybe once in a while. But and it's got like stars in the ceiling. So it honestly feels like you're at the cinema.
Good thing about this home as well, if you do have visitors,
Yeah.
if you do have guests from anywhere in the world, they actually have a separate entry as well. So they can actually come from back of the house as well.
Oh, that's
and you don't have
great.
to feed them or heat them as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially if you don't like your in-laws. But I know you love your in-laws.
No, I'm very lucky with my in-laws, so very, very lucky. So they're great. So, but it's still good to keep them separated from you.
Oh,
But
we're not watching this.
no. So what's up here?
This is roof deck.
A roof deck.
And it's actually really great size. We have a six people spa as well.
Okay, I bet the view up here is
The
amazing.
view is really fantastic. The views here are just fantastic.
Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, beautiful. Wow. Fire pit. So you can even stay here in winter. Very intimate with the fire pit. And yeah, beautiful. It's such an amazing home. And it's in the perfect area of Brisbane as well.
Let me ask you this, what's your favorite part of the house?
My favorite part of the house would be the bedrooms. I don't know why, I just love that master bedroom. It just felt so, it felt cozy and beautiful and like a spa retreat. Even though it's like a mixture of modern home, it felt like home, which is what you want in a house. So, and of course, what else? The wine area. That's something special. So.
I'm gonna get you to see a garage now.
Okay.
And also the car as well. So if you wanna walk down the stairs,
No, I don't walk. I take the lift.
Lady of pleasure, I'll see you there.
Okay, felt like a superstar Wonder Woman. Just got back to wearing normal clothes. Oh my goodness. So this comes with the house.
What kind of car is this?
Lamborghini. See, I knew because I'm reading. I'm reading and it says Lamborghini. That's some pretty fancy hot car. So, are you going to take me for a spin? No, okay.
I can definitely. Actually, the car actually comes with the house.
Okay, that's.
The house is actually complete. So you get an amazing home. You get lots of wine with the house. And you actually get a brand new Lamborghini.
And honestly, I wouldn't get lost in a color like that. So you'd see me coming from a mile away, guys. That is insane. I don't think I've ever heard of anyone selling a home with a car.
I know, to be honest, when I built a developer, when he was talking to us about the idea, and he said, Emil, what do you think if I buy the Lamborghini to come with the house? We thought that was actually a fantastic idea. House needs to have everything. And you know what? Normally, if husband and wife, or wife and husband, if they buy a home like this, and one of them wants to buy the car, and normally the other party would be saying, don't waste money on the car, you don't need
part
that.
of it.
Now
So-
you actually have it.
So technically my husband can drive his four-wheel drive because that's his dream car. So he can go fishing, camping, whatever he wants, and I'll just go buy some milk in my Lamborghini because that's what we do.
There you go. Enjoy it.
Great. All right, I'm going.
Bye.
Amazing, this incredible home. So thank you so much for taking me through
Well,
because
thank you so much for
I've
being
never
here.
seen anything like it. So yeah.
Thank you so much
Thanks.
for being here. There you go.